Antarctica is a massive ice desert spanning 14 million square kilometers. With surface temperatures dropping as low as -89.2 degrees Celsius, it is the most unforgiving place on Earth. So what are over 400 massive lakes doing completely unfrozen beneath 4,000 meters of solid ice? These lakes are the most isolated water bodies on Earth, remaining liquid due to the crushing weight of millions of tons of ice pressure above them combined with geothermal heat rising from the Earth's core. But the real reason scientists and governments are racing to study them and keeping them heavily guarded is this. These lakes contain unevolved, ancient microorganisms from 30 million years ago that have never touched our atmosphere, billions of cubic meters of pristine freshwater, and a pure genetic memory of our planet's past. Unleashing this water could mean awakening prehistoric viruses completely unknown to humanity. Now brace yourselves because we are diving into the depths of Lake Vostok, the largest of these 400 hidden worlds. The beating heart of this hidden ecosystem is Lake Vostok. Discovered through radar surveys in the 1990s, this subglacial lake is 250 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide. We're talking about a hidden inland sea roughly the size of Lebanon. Its depth reaches up to 1,000 meters in certain areas. Russian scientists braved temperatures of -80 degrees for over 20 years, drilling through solid ice to reach it. In 2012, at a depth of exactly 3,769 meters, the drill bit finally breached the lake's surface. When the first water samples were analyzed in the lab, they yielded a shocking discovery: a mysterious bacterium whose DNA sequence was an 86% mismatch to any known organism on Earth. This life form had successfully survived in total darkness and zero oxygen for 15 to 30 million years. Signed in 1959 and currently including 56 nations, the Antarctic Treaty strictly bans all military activity and commercial mining on the continent. Why then do superpowers like the US, Russia, and China operate a combined total of over 80 active research stations here, pouring billions of dollars into them every single year? According to satellite data, bizarre magnetic anomalies have been detected over these lakes. Specifically, over the southeastern portion of Lake Vostok, there is a massive 1,000 nanotesla magnetic disturbance that distorts compasses and sensitive military equipment. While governments claim it is a routine geological formation, independent researchers argue that a highly dense, unexplained metallic mass lies deep beneath the ice. Why are these exact coordinates heavily pixelated or censored on high-resolution civilian satellite maps? The hidden lakes of Antarctica don't just hold the keys to Earth's past, they safeguard humanity's future in deep space. NASA closely monitors subglacial environments like Lake Vostok and Lake Mercer because they mirror the exact conditions found on Jupiter's moon, Europa, and Saturn's moon, Enceladus. Beneath Europa's 15 to 25 kilometer thick icy crust lies a massive global ocean. If life can thrive under Antarctica's 4,000 meters of high-pressure, zero-sunlight, hyperoxygenated water, it serves as definitive proof that life can exist in the outer solar system. This frozen continent is the ultimate high-risk testing ground for NASA's interplanetary rovers before they travel billions of kilometers into space. But a massive threat looms on the horizon: the climate crisis. If global temperatures continue to rise at this current rate, climate models project that critical Antarctic ice shelves could experience major structural collapses by the year 2035. Such a collapse could expose these ancient lakes to the atmosphere for the first time in millennia, potentially releasing massive amounts of trapped prehistoric methane gas and ancient pathogens into our oceans, pathogens to which human immune systems have zero resistance. Is this subglacial water network the ultimate key to understanding life, or a ticking time bomb waiting to be unleashed? To keep exploring the darkest secrets of our planet, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next mystery.